Body is like a mobile phone, am I right? And there are software. Body is a physical, you can see mobile, and there is a software which you install. Every human being is good. Nothing bad, nothing good. It is the what kind of software installed. What is software? Thoughts and beliefs are the operating software.
Hmm.
Knowledge is your functional software. Suppose someone want to be a doctor, what kind of knowledge you will install? About medical science. Am I right?
Correct.
So, if the thoughts and beliefs stall into that, as a Hindu, he's become a Hindu doctor. Islamic memory install to become a Muslim doctors. Christian memory with the
Hmm.
medical science become Christian doctor. One child of 5 years old was asked, what will you do when you become grow up? Only 5 years. This child is going to regular school in the daytime, evening going to madrasa. He was asked, what will you do? He said, I will kill Pallavi. Well, Pallavi is your friend, am I right? Well, my classmate friend, but he is not a Muslim. He is not Islamic. Because what memory, what belief is between that? See, the two ways they tell you can go to Jannat. So among the other teaching, that either you kill kafir means non-believer of Islamic, or convert at least five to Islamic memory. Islamic, so they are converting by getting married or converting because they get money to convert also. And plus told that if you can convert, you will go to Jannat. Two doctor, husband, wife in Australia and India, you know what doctors are doing, the form also, you have seen also. So you need to update your Windows also to at least 8.1 version above, then only Zoom will work. But the belief operating of these people, Madda told that even moon is giving light, not sun. Even earth moves around moon. So that backdated memory is installed into them. How they'll function. So when you go outside anywhere, even someone's madrasa, they say, I'm an Indian. But Indian, if they ask knowledge, where from do we get light? They will say moon. Then we'll have what kind of image India will have? This is what is taught in India.
No.
Earth rotating around moon. Even this was there in Bible in the past.
Hmm.
And who told no this thing? He was killed. But they have updated.